Okay, so hey guys, tonight we'll be having a very quick unpacking of this. So, ito yung bagong collab ng 7-Eleven with Joe Toys and Yuko, or Yumo, sorry. Yumo? Yeah, yung Joe Toys and Yumo. So, before natin gawin yung unpacking, bali short story lang. So, kung napansin nyo, parang may sira na tong box, or rather yung cup. So, kasi malaking cup talaga siya. Parang yung pinakamataas na cup ng coffee or na City Cafe ng 7-Eleven. So, ang gimmick pala is that yung ibabaw na part nito, yun yung pinaka-cup mo. So, it's a small cup and you can actually get kung ano yung gusto mong drink when you buy this. Tapos, obviously, ito na yung nasa ilalim. So, yun nga, of course, di ko na papakita yung kape, tapos na, inainom ko na. So, ang gagawin na lang natin is, we're just going to get this, and we're going to open it. So, ito po siya, yung laman niya. So, basically, we have, ilan ba ang design nandito? So, we have 4 na known, which is ito, yung isa, yan. I think this is a wolf. Then, the bunny rabbit, the fox, and I think this one's the bear. Yan, the bear. Tapos, yung secret nito is yung Philippine eagle. Also, hindi lang yan laman niya. Meron pang ito, yung voucher na 10 pesos off. No? So, papakita mo lang yung voucher na to. Bumili ka. No? Ng next City Cafe mo. So, buksan na natin. Ano kaya naman ito? Uy! It's a ayan, it's animal macchiato. Oh, yung fox. So we got the fox, and obviously it's an animal macchiato. Ayan. So it's a keychain. Pwede mo ilagay yan sa kung saan mo gusto ilagay, sa bag mo, or you can just have it displayed. So there you have it, guys. Ito na yung nakuha natin. At may libreng sili ka dyan. Ayun lang ang laman niya, guys. So, here we go. Animal macchiato. Sticker ba to? Hindi. So, yun lang, guys. Hey, so cute.